Do you believe in God? A long time ago in the land of Uz, there lived a man named Job. Job was a man of integrity. He honored God and everything he did. But one day, God asked a challenging question. Does Job love me because of who I am? Or does he only love me because of the blessings he's been given? You see, Job was wealthy. He had a big family and vast lands and countless animals. But God wanted to test Job's faith, so he took it all away. In a single moment, Job lost everything. But through it all, he didn't curse God. Instead, he trusted in God's goodness. And when his health failed and his body was covered in sores, he still didn't give up. And God said to Job, "Where were you when I laid the foundations of the earth? Can you command the seas or guide the stars?" And Job understood that he couldn't. He was just a man. God was God. And God said, "I will restore your health and double your wealth." And he did. The point is, no matter what happens in life, if you hold on to God, he will help you.